G'day everyone. For me, lithium technology gives me more power to enjoy my creature comforts. However, on an older system, you'll only extend the runtime of your equipment. Like me, you may actually have to make some changes and upgrades to the wiring and the existing equipment if you want to gain that new functionality. Now, before you actually swing a spanner, you need to do some research and planning. You need to find out how much power do you require to run the new gear you want to install. Now, you can jump on the internet and look up an online calculator which will actually help you provide that information. And then you can have a chat with your supplier and they'll help you size out the right type of equipment you need. Always remember the golden rule: never ever attempt to wire in or modify a 240-volt appliance. Always have an electrician do the work for you. The iTechworld site has detailed equipment specifications and helpful tips about choosing, installing and using their products, which of course made my life very easy. With Eor's original wiring, it was fairly light. It was acceptable for up to 50 amps. However, my new iTech 2000 watt inverter will actually draw significantly more current, and that's why we've had to upgrade the wiring in Eor. Now here's an interesting tip. Despite what amperage may be stamped on the cable, it will actually be affected by how long the cable is. Now, when you drink through a straw, it's fairly easy, right? But what if we took that straw and made it 10 metres in length? Your cheeks would actually suck in. So the same effect with your wiring. The longer the run of the cable, the more resistance it has. So you may need to actually step up the size of the cable based on the length of your vehicle. If you're DIYing, you need to use the correct tools for the job. A quality set of wire crimping pliers will help you terminate lugs and eyelets, which will make your life much easier. And of course, you want to make sure that you protect the cables as they run through any body panels. And you can do this by simply installing rubber grommets. And of course, last but not least, you also have the option to fit split conduit onto the cables, which will actually protect your installation. Now, next week, we're actually going to take a look at all the equipment and how it actually comes together.